All right, hi everybody, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing great and fantastic. This is Iqbal Khandaker once again back with you in another new video, and this video is going to be much more important to you because in this video I'm going to share how you can learn English at your home. That's why stay tuned with me until the end of this video. Hopefully this video will be much more effective to learn English at your home. So let's jump to the topic. So in this video, I'm going to share the two process which you have to follow at your home to learn English. So the two processes, one is jam process or jam method, and another is six formation of sentence. So let me clear you what does mean of jam. So jam it's a short form. The full elaboration of jam is just a minute. JAM. J for just, A for a, and M for minute. So just a minute you will have to practice. So like how you will practice by just a minute by jam process. So it's much more clear. Let me clear to you how you will do it. So suppose you will have to select a topic. You will have to find out the information about a topic. So it may be the topic traffic jam. So you will gather some information about traffic jam, and after that you will have to speak for this topic 1 minute. So you will have to practice three times for one topic. Like for traffic jam, first of all you will have to speak 1 minute. So in first time you may be make a lot of mistakes. So you will practice for the second time. So whenever you will practice in second time, your speaking or your information will be much more arranged. And then it is the third time. So whenever you will practice for the third time, you will get much more fluency. You will get a lot of arranged information. So by how you will have to practice, which is called jam process. Every day you will have to invest 3 minutes, 3 minutes for this process. Within a short period of time, like within 4 months or within 5 months, you will get a good fluency in English. You will have a good comment in English. By how you'll be a good speaker of English. So this is I'm doing. That is called jam process. Every day you will have to speak 3 minutes for one topic. And the another method is six sentence formation. So this six sentence formation means number one is positive sentence, number two is negative sentence, and number three is positive question, number four is negative question, number fifth is positive why, and number six is negative why. Let me give you some example of six sentence formation. Suppose let me select a sentence. Suppose the sentence is I am rich. So I am rich, that is positive sentence. I am not rich, that is negative sentence. Then the positive question, do I rich? The negative question, don't I rich? The positive why do I rich? Negative why don't I rich? So that is the sixth sentence formation. You can select another sentence like he is honest, he is not honest, is he honest, isn't he honest, why is he honest, why isn't he honest. Like this way you will have to form six sentence formation. By how you will be a good speaker at your home. You can learn a good English. You will have a great fluency if you just follow these two method. The number one is gem method, and number two is six sentence formation. If you just practice these two method for 4 months or 5 months, you will have a great fluency. You will have a great command in your English language. That is it. I'm doing, I'm following, and I'm getting a good result. uh, right now we're watching this video. If you think this video is helpful to you to learn English, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, as well as turn on the bell icon, so that you will get the notification whenever I make any other new videos. You will just instantly you will get my video. So that is it for this video. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, stay based, stay motivated. That's it. Bye.